Council for the Protection of Children. Executive Order Number 6, Series of 2024, an executive order creating the composition and roles of Barangay Disaster Risk Reduction Management Committee of Barangay Quirino 2, District 3, Quezon City. Executive Order Number 7, Series of 2024, reorganization of the Barangay Development Council of Barangay Quirino 2B, Project 2, District 3, Quezon City. Executive Order Number 8, Series of 2024, revitalization of the Barangay Anti-Drug Abuse Council. Executive Order Number 9, Series of 2024, an order setting up different mechanisms to prevent and respond to gender-based sexual harassment. The Barangay Anti-Sexual Harassment Desk, designating anti-sexual harassment enforcers and establishing the Anti-Sexual Harassment Referral Network.
Mr. Chair, Kapitan, ang layo mo. Pwede bang malapit-lapit dito? Ayan, gusto namin makita ng malapitan. Yung secretary po. Ayan. Si Kagawad Aison. Wala.
Wala.
Wala. Si dito ba't lumalayo ka, Tres? Ha? Ha? Hindi, ba't tiniawanan mo si Kapitan? Ang ganda kasi malapit-lapit para hindi tayo magsisigawan. Okay. Okay, Mr. Chair. Hindi.
Okay, before we tackle all the barangay executive orders ng barangay Quirino 2B is now open for review. But before that, any word from Barangay Captain Oscar Reyes?
Kapitan, Executive Order Number 01.
Good morning po. Reorganization, reorganizing the Barangay Rotation Committee, BNC of the Barangay Quirino 2B, District 3, Quezon City. Whereas Section 17 and 16 and 17 of Republic Act 7160.
Okay. Kap, okay na Kap. Tawag doon na Kap, bali re-elected ka ba?
Hindi po. First, successor po ako nung kapitan na natanggal.
Okay.
Then po elect po ngayon.
Ibig sabihin lang po, meron na kayo dati ng
Meron po. BNC.
Pero at the time pa yun nung pinalitan niyo po, Kap? Hindi po. During the time na na-elect yung pinalitan niyo po, meron nang na-organize na Barangay Nutrition Committee. Yun ang tinatanong ko po.
Kaya lang nawalan po kami, nawala po sa amin to. Kasi ang napunta sa amin, yung PHW lang. Nawala na po yung PHW sa amin.
So ang tanong dito, Sec, bago ba ito ang BNC?
Bagong composition po.
Bagong composition. So ibig sabihin yan is during the time pa ng
BNS po, BNS na nakalagay yung Barangay Nutrition Scholar.
Dati nang may BNC ka. Kumbaga, kasi nag-reorganize po kayo kasi hindi naman po siya yung composition.
Ilan yung composition nga pala.
Kaya nga, Sec, ang tanong ko po, during the time na si Kapitan Richie, di ba? Ikaw yung secretary?
Hindi po. Noong 2020 po ako naupo.
Pero during the time of Kapitan Richie, ikaw? Hindi.
Ginawa po nila.
Hindi po ako. Hindi, ang ibig ko lang sabihin, nung si Kapitan Richie ang kapitan, ikaw nakaupo, ikaw ba yung barangay secretary?
2022. Kasi 2018, iba po yung secretary until July 2020.
Hindi, from nung hanggang natanggal si Kapitan Richie, ikaw ba ang barangay? Yun ang gusto kong marinig sa iyo. Kasi, kaya kita tinatanong, because at the time of Kapitan Richie, nagawa na to.
Opo.
Ayan. Pumalit lang si Kapitan because nawala si Ayan. Kasi titingnan kasi natin kung mag-reorganizing o organize. Kasi nga, kung bagong kapitan, ngayon lang siya elected eh. Actually, hindi siya re-elected. Tama, Kap?
Tama po.
Oo. Kasi nag-succeed ka lang nung nawalang kapitan, di ba? So, hindi ka re-elected as kapitan. Newly elected ka. Yan. Maliwanag na, Secretary. So, considering na newly elected siya, hindi tayo reorganizing. Yun. Kasi bagong pa naman eh, di ba? Maliwanag na po tayo. Okay. So, considering na ang title mo, Organized in the Barangay Nutrition Committee, pagdating po dito sa Section 1, dapat, therefore, ilalagay mo yung Organizing the Barangay Nutrition Committee. Yun ang magiging umpisa. Tsaka na yung section na composition. Okay na po. Yan ang kailangan ko. Kailangan nandito yung barangay secretary para mag-take down notes, di ba? Yan. Okay. So, yan lang ang comment ko dito. With that, hindi naman naka-recess, di ba? Okay. With that, Mr. Chair, I move that we conditionally approve Executive Order number 1 of Barangay Quirino 2B. Subject to the submission of the corrected version.
Duly seconded, the Executive Order number 1, series of 2024 of Barangay Quirino P is conditionally approved, subject to the submission of the corrected version.
Executive Order number 2, Kap.
An executive order designating Maria Elena L. Oreta as a barangay Kagawad of Barangay Quirino 2B as a barangay road clearing operation, BARCO, focal person under the Bagong Pilipinas program.
Okay na. With that, Mr. Chair, I move that we approve Executive Order number 02 of Barangay Quirino 2B.
Second.
Duly seconded, Executive Order number 2, series of 2024 of Barangay Quirino 2B is approved.
Executive Order number 3, Kap.
Reorganizing Barangay Ecological Solid Waste Management Committee.
Ito po, sir.
Sige.
Itanong ko lang po, kasi nung naupo sila nung last November, naggawa na po si Kamyan. Pero binago po kasi namin siya, then may mga composition po siyang parang may pinalitan po sa composition ng ano po niya, mga miyembro.
1 minute recess.
May 1 minute recess.
Mr. Chair. Okay. Ito na yung sagot. Okay. Gumawa na si Kap noon, November.
November.
Bakit?
Pagkaupo nila.
Nga, bakit nga? Alam mo ba ang sagot? Bakit?
Kasi di ba po dapat
Ni-require ka